Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and I love to cook healthy food, I love to bake, and I love to make DIY products. So today I'm going to be making homemade cream of broccoli soup, and it's good for vegans or if you just love cream of broccoli soup. So come on, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saute the onions in some grapeseed oil. It's 2 onions and 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. I've already got the 2 onions chopped and the grapeseed oil is already heated, so we're gonna put this in. For my Honduran friends, I'm gonna use my spoon I got when I was in Honduras this summer. Pink Himalayan salt. Now I'm gonna add 3 chopped carrots and 2 chopped celery sticks and let it saute for just a little bit with the onion mixture. We've allowed the carrots and the celery to saute for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add 16 ounces of broccoli to the mixture and let it saute for another 5 minutes. I just added 16 ounces of broccoli and I'm going to add 3 crushed fresh garlic cloves. I'm going to let that saute for another 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add 5 cups of water. One teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt and some fresh ground black pepper. I'm going to allow this mixture to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I will turn it down and allow it to simmer for 15 minutes. While I'm waiting on the soup stock to come to a boil, I've already removed the water from the cashews. I've placed them in my Ninja. Now I'm going to add a cup of water to the cashews and the Ninja. And I'm going to blend away. Now we'll wait and we'll use this a little later. Our soup mixture has come to a boil, so now I'm going to turn it down and put a lid on it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, so now I put half of the soup into my Vitamix. I'm going to blend it away. You can see how creamy and smooth that is. So I'm going to pour it into a pot and blend the last half of the soup. Now I'm going to add the cashew mixture. That's a nice creamy broccoli soup. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Feel free to leave comments down below. I'd love to connect with you. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Bye.